Part 15, Airport Security, Hotel Reception, Tourist Places, and Asking for Directions. Hello everyone. Welcome back. I'm Isha. I'm so happy you're here again. Today's lesson is perfect for travelers and anyone who wants to speak English confidently while visiting a new city or country. Today we'll learn English for airport security, hotel check-in, tourist places, and asking for directions. These are real-life conversations that you'll use while traveling. So, relax, listen carefully, repeat every sentence after me, and speak confidently. Let's begin. Lesson 115, Airport Security Check. Imagine you are at the airport security checkpoint. Good morning. Good morning. May I see your boarding pass and passport, please? Certainly. Here they are. Please place your bag on the conveyor belt. Sure. Do I need to remove my laptop? Yes, please. Also remove your belt and watch. No problem. Please walk through the scanner. Thank you. Everything is fine. You may proceed to your gate. Thank you. Have a pleasant journey. Now repeat the conversation. Excellent. Lesson 116, Hotel Reception Conversation. Imagine you've arrived at your hotel. Good afternoon. Welcome to our hotel. I have a reservation. May I have your name, please? My name is Rahul Sharma. Thank you. May I see your ID? Certainly. Here it is. Your room is on the 5th floor. Here's your room key. What time is breakfast? Breakfast is served from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. Thank you very much. Enjoy your stay. Repeat everything. Excellent. Lesson 117, Tourist Place Conversation. Imagine you're visiting a famous tourist attraction. Excuse me, is this place open today? Yes, it opens at 9 a.m. How much is the entry ticket? It's $10. Can I take photos here? Yes, photography is allowed. Is there a guide available? Yes, guided tours start every hour. Thank you. Enjoy your visit. Wonderful. Now repeat again. Lesson 118, Asking for Directions. Imagine you're in a new city. Excuse me, could you help me? Of course. How can I help you? I'm looking for the nearest metro station. Go straight for 2 blocks. Turn left at the traffic light. You'll see the station on your right. How long will it take? About 5 minutes on foot. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Have a nice day. Excellent. Lesson 119, Daily Vocabulary. Today's words. Passport. Boarding pass, security, reservation, reception, tourist, map, direction, metro, journey. Repeat after me. I have a hotel reservation. Where's the nearest metro station? Please show me the way. My passport is ready. Wonderful. Lesson 120, Pronunciation Practice. Repeat after me. Reservation, reception, direction, tourist, passport, journey, station, security. Excellent. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. Lesson 121, Listening Practice. Now just listen. Last month, I traveled to Dubai for a holiday. At the airport, I completed the security check and boarded my flight. After arriving, I checked into my hotel and rested for a while. The next morning, I visited famous tourist attractions and asked a local person for directions to the nearest metro station. The trip was comfortable, exciting, and unforgettable. Now answer. Where did the speaker travel? To Dubai. What did the speaker ask the local person? He asked for directions to the nearest metro station. Excellent. Lesson 122, Speaking Confidence. Repeat after me. I speak English confidently. I can travel anywhere with confidence. I ask questions politely. I understand directions easily. Every lesson improves my English. I enjoy learning every day. I believe in myself. I will become fluent. Fantastic. You're improving with every lesson. Congratulations. You've completed part 15 of our English speaking practice series. Thank you for learning with me today. Every conversation you practice brings you one step closer to speaking English naturally and confidently. Remember, practice is the key to fluency. Listen carefully. Repeat confidently. Speak without fear. If you enjoyed today's lesson, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Your support motivates me to create more English speaking lessons, real-life conversations, vocabulary practice, pronunciation exercises, and listening activities. In the next lesson, we'll practice English for hospitals, emergencies, police help, and safety conversations, so you'll be ready to communicate confidently in important situations. Thank you so much for learning with me. Keep practicing, keep smiling, keep speaking English every single day. I'm Isha. See you in the next lesson. Take care. Bye-bye.